So let's talk about this website that I just came across. It's called CAD Lookup, and maybe you know about it, maybe you don't. But the thing here is with this website, you can actually look up various CAD related stuff. So in this case, if we type in the word bolt, for example, and we press the enter key, this is going to go through and find various kinds of bolts. There are different types of bolts right here that it finds. So if we type in the word, let's say wrench, for example, and we press the enter key, this is also going to go ahead and find that. And to any of these ones or any of the models that you want, all you need to do is select them and you can download them. So let's go ahead and explore that. So if we have that selected, this loads and you can see what it looks like. Go all the way down and you can download the STL file or you can download the step file. And of course, once you download them, you can bring them into any of the 3D programs that you get to work with. Another thing I would like to do here is type in the word panel. So let's see what it produces when we type in the word panel. And let's see. Okay, that looks pretty interesting. So I think this will be super useful. If you're doing things like kit bashing, you may definitely find this one a lot more rewarding. So we do have some panels. Maybe a bit more specific things might help in the search result. Let's try cabinet. Maybe we can see some cabinets, hopefully. So if we press the enter key, let's see what the result gives us. Impressive. Maybe we can try gears. Let's see. And if we enter that, that automatically generates gears. And this is good. So for some reason, we can't really tell where this is pulling all of this from, but it makes sense to have one place where you can, I guess, search for things and hopefully find them. You may not see that, but right here you can see it says result and it tells you the number of things that it finds out when you're searching. So for those who work with CADs and maybe you're looking for a place where you can easily find stuff, then this is going to come in very handy in that regard. Of course, there is also a couple of nice places that I've put on the channel before where you can find amazing stuff. I'm also going to link a few of those ones in the description. So whether you're looking for high quality references or you're looking for 3D models, these websites will definitely come in handy, especially when you're building stuff. So this is it for those who like to take a look at this. Maybe you like to start searching for nice, cool, simple stuff that can help you when making constructions, 3D printing, or building various pieces. Then you can simply come through and check this one out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and until I see you guys in the next one, peace.